Welcome to the last and fourth lesson. This lesson is going to be about back sounds, back consonants and back vowels. What are the back sounds? Back sounds are usually pronounced somewhere in the throat or in the back of the mouth. We are going to also mention some nasal sounds like m, n, and n. Nasal because the air or the sound even passes through the nose while it's being produced. The back consonants in English are k, g, and h. It is the h that comes from here. It's not the h that comes from the back of the mouth, but rather from the throat. A very soft h. And that's why we don't say this h anywhere but at the beginning of the word. So, hotel, her. But if the H letter that represents the sound is somewhere in the middle or at the end of the word, it's usually not going to be pronounced. Silent H in where and night. So, let's talk about G and K. They are the voiced and unvoiced or voiceless pair, consonant pair. So, G sound is usually represented by the letter G or double G. If it's at the end of the syllable or the word, the G will be G, as we call it, hard G. Only if the vowel is short. Otherwise, it will have to be doubled. K is usually written by the letter C, but sometimes also by the CK or CH, like in school or mechanic or architect or stomach. The ng sound is a little bit specific because we don't find it often in other languages. And it comes from the combination of n, which is actually the middle sound, palatal sound, n, and then if after n comes k or g, we will actually produce this sound in the back of the throat, in the back of the mouth, like ng. Because it's hard to say nuk, nug. With the n, the tongue is just behind the teeth, somewhere in the middle. And with the g, we are activating the throat. So that's why the sound ng is going to be very frequent in English. Why do you think is that? Some of the most popular words with the ng sound are sing, sang, sung, sink, sank, and sunk. It is important to note here that if the K sound comes after the ng, it is pronounced, but the G is not going to be pronounced. So this is going to be bang, while this will be bang. In this last lesson, we are going to talk about some silent letters. The silent letters that will not be pronounced are usually K, H, and B. Do you know any silent K words? How about silent B? And why is the B silent? Try to say mb, mb. So if the sound already passes through the nose and the lips are closed, is it easy to then make the explosion and send the sound out through the other way? So the eats up the b after it, we can say.